Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's Catherine and Adobe here again, and today I'm gonna be making a very easy hairstyle on Adobe. Okay, so just sit tight and we're gonna dive right into this. There's no need to ramble about or beat around the bush. So as you guys can see, I'm patting out a straight line all the way to the back, and after that I went ahead to start patting slant lines. I'll be using my chain and jam to stick out the slant line. Okay, I know I didn't show the process of patting out the slant line, but just follow through with this one, cleaning out one that I just did now. And after that I put that into a bun, and see what I did there. Yeah, you see what I did there. That is a section of one of the sections of the slant line. I just patted out. And I went in with a rubber band. Okay guys, we'll be using rubber band for this hairstyle. Just basic rubber band, nothing extra, the usual black rubber bands. And I tied out that one, slicking it down first before I tied it out. And right now, as you guys can see, I am braiding it out. Yeah, so after that, the next one, I already prepped it and I am tying it together. I'm tying the first one I braided onto the next one that haven't been braided. Yeah, I know, okay, I'm not doing justice to these explanations. See guys, my intention was that I wasn't going to talk anything at all. I was just going to play music at the background. Since this video is a very short one and there is no trick to this style at all, it is as you are seeing it. Okay, so just watch and see everything I'm doing, and while at it, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. By now, I know a lot of my mamas have already figured out this style and how easy it is. So go ahead to replicate it on your princesses and they'll be glad you did. You too, you'll be glad you did, because it takes no time. Like in less than 30 minutes, you'll be in and out with this style. But that being said, a couple of mamas have reached out to me inquiring if we are good, if we are okay, you know, trying to know why I haven't been consistent on here as I used to. Thank you guys, thank you so much for reaching out to us. Like, I have no idea that you guys noticed, because I've been trying so hard to make it go unnoticed. Like, I've been trying to upload, show up as often as I can, even though not as often as I used to, but I've been trying. Honestly, I've been trying to keep my head above water, but you guys noticed it, so thank you so much for checking up on us. We are okay, we are good. Adobe is fine, I am good. I just have a lot of things going on in my life right now. I am engaged with a couple of things, good things actually, okay, nothing bad at all. So it has affected my consistency here. I hardly have time to edit videos. I hardly have time to do stuffs now. I'm still trying my best to balance my life so that no angle, no side of it can slack. Anyways, don't worry, okay, I am right here with you all. I'm not going nowhere. The content will still keep on rolling in. As a matter of fact, I promise I'll try my best to improve with my level of consistency. Don't worry, see, this first season I got you all. Content full grant. Is to editing it that is the problem. I got you, okay? I got you. I feel like I've talked so much. So back to the hair, we have gone really far. But hope you guys, you know, notice everything I did. Hope you follow through with everything I did, even though I didn't do much explanation. I mean, that's the whole point, so you guys can understand me better without me interrupting with my whack explanation. Well, I am done. So right now I am laying down her edges so everything can be slick. And after that, I went ahead to accessorize. See, at this point you can just, you know, drop everything and be like, that's it. Like, you're good as done at this point, honestly. But I am that extra, okay? I decided to accessorize with these clips, and yeah, I just clipped them onto her hair, and look at that. Look at my baby girl. See how simple this hairstyle looks. See how easy it is to achieve. Anyone can achieve this. Basically, if you don't know how to cornrow, you have no problem at all. This is like traditional braiding is not corrowing, okay? You have no problem to do this. So if you've watched this point, why not kindly give the video a thumbs up? Release that thumbs up, just do it. It wouldn't cost you nothing. Just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.